Hi dear students, welcome back to our channel Mechanical Engineering Made Simple. So I think you are all in dilemma, right? Whether the notifications come or not, if comes, how many posts are there, okay, when the examination will be conducted. So let us not bother about all these things, right? If the notification comes, whether we are in a strong position to answer maximum number of questions with certainty, with surety, and get our maximum score and get the selection or get selected for your interview. Definitely, obviously, this is a competitive examination, so you have to be in the forefront. So, those who are serious about these examinations, my request is that without waiting for the notifications, please join the coaching. Okay, this is very essential, and there is a lot of syllabus for your TSPSC and also APPSC that needs at least 3.5 months to 4 months of time. So I expect sincerely that after these all these elections and all those connected process is over, so definitely the notification will come in AP and Telangana. With that positive note, let us move. The gravity system of fuel system is confined to dash wheelers, but fuel tank is mounted at the dash position. So is it 3 highest, 4 lowest, 3 lowest, or 2 highest? Okay, so it is 2 highest, 2 highest. The gravity system of fuel supply is confined to two wheelers, but fuel tank is mounted at the highest position. So in this video we are going to study about the carburetors and also different types of fuel supply systems in the IC engines, right? So your answer is D. Next question. The principle of priming is used in the fuel supply system of various fuel supply systems to IC engines are existing. Some of them are pump system, vacuum system, pressure system, and gravity system. So this principle of priming is used in basically the fuel supply system of gravity system. Gravity system. Next, in which of the following systems of fuel supply the fuel is pumped to the float chamber of the carburetor through a flexible pipe? So this is your answer is neither of the vacuum, gravity, or pressure system, but it is in the pump system that fuel is pumped to the float chamber of the carburetor through a flexible pipe. Your answer is C. Next question. In the fuel injection system, there is dash and the fuel is atomized by means of a dash. So, what are these blanks? Is it the combination of carburetor and diffuser? And there is no carburetor but diffuser? Or is there a carburetor and through nozzle? Or is there no carburetor but nozzle? That means which combination? So, here the actual combination is in the fuel injection system there is no carburetor, there will be no carburetor, something called fuel injector will be there. So in which that means that itself indicates that there is no carburetor and fuel is atomized by means of a nozzle. So nozzle must be there. So the functioning of nozzle and diffuser are different. So nozzle increases the pressure, but whereas decrease the pressure, but increase the velocity. But here the functioning of diffuser is reverse to that of the nozzle. So nozzle is used. So there is no carburetor, but it is atomized by means of a nozzle. Your answer is D. Next question. The process of mixing of air and fuel in correct proportions in case of IC engines is known as. The good student will easily recognize that it is carburation, but the students who have not read the subject IC engine by V Ganeshan, definitely he will be confused. So all are interlinked. Okay, all seems to be correct on the outset. So you are actually the process like something like carburation, carbonation, atomization, combining. So definitely right. You may get the doubt about the carbonation or combining, atomization, except carburation. But actually the answer is carburation only. So your answer is carburation. Next, a carburetor does the functioning of is it both 1 and 2, that is atomization and vaporization, or is it none, or is it only atomization, or is it only vaporization? Actually, from the fundamentals, we know that the a carburetor does the functioning of both. So it does both atomization and vaporization of the fuel air mixture. Both. Next question. The position of the needle valve in the float chamber of a simple carburetor. So we are studying about the carburetors and also fuel supply systems of the IC engines. So now the questions started about from the carburetors. A carburetor, yes. So here the question is, the position of the needle valve in the float chamber of a simple carburetor is it at the bottom or in the center or at the top or in the side walls? So definitely, so some students may think that so it is complicated words like in the side walls. No, as I told you, as I was telling you, so the examiners always, his intention will be to the to put you to maximum confusion. And okay, so be a little bit very careful. Okay, so come out of that. So the position of the needle valve in the float chamber of a simple carburetor is at the bottom, is at the bottom, is at the bottom, neither in the center nor at the top nor in the side walls. No. Next question, the ticklers, this is a good bit boys, so please underline this. The ticklers are used in connection with, is it are they connected, are they used in connection with carburetors or injectors or both or neither of carburetors or nor injectors? So actually the ticklers are used in connection with the carburetors, carburetors. Next question, the engine stumble, this is again once again a good question. The engine stumble or hesitation, so this has been mostly asked many number of times in many competitive examinations, okay, of the automobile engineering. So this is a good question. So the engine stumble or hesitation is mainly due to which type of mixtures? Is it stoichiometric mixtures, that is air fuel ratio 14.5:1, or is it lean mixtures, any ratio above that, that is something like 16.1, 16:1 or 20:1, etc., or is it through rich mixtures like less than 14.5:1, that is it 13:1 or 12:1 or 10:1, something like that, or is it approximately stoichiometric mixtures? Okay, so you might get, definitely you might be thinking putting the answer approximately stoichiometric mixtures. So never attempt to choose such type of answers, they are only to misguide you. Okay, so some different words, okay, no. So here the engine stumble or hesitation is mainly due to the lean mixtures, mainly due to the lean mixtures. Next question, the principle of annual blanket of air between the outer ventures for keeping the wet fuel off the walls for a greater distance is used in the, so you must have read thoroughly about all the four carburetors: Zenith carburetor, Solex carburetor, SU carburetor, and Carter carburetor to answer these questions. So see the depth of questions. Okay, so definitely I am thinking, I am assuming, or I am guessing that this time the standard of the examination will be quite difficult. Actually in the Telangana it was conducted as far as 2015, and in AP it was conducted latest in 2019, and lot of competition, so many graduate have come out and graduated, diploma holders and also BTech mechanical and also automobile, so with heavy license also, right? This time the competition is could be more, so the filtering process will be more. So to filter, definitely the standard of the question, the standard of the questions in the examination must be very high. So that's what I am guessing. So please read the textbooks, IC Engines by V Ganeshan and also Kripal Singh volume 1 and volume 2, automobile engineering, to score high and get selected. So if you are having doubts, please put in your comment section, or if some of you want to join coaching, please mail me at sridhar.bplle@gmail.com. Okay, you can put in a comment section, so definitely you can contact me, I will give my contact number. And so for today, the last question is, the principle of annual blanket of air between the outer ventures for keeping the wet fuel off the walls for a greater distance is used in the Carter's carburetor. Okay, guys. So I have made number of videos for you, especially AMV examination. So please watch my channel, watch my all my videos. I have made some good videos for two important videos, right? So if you go through my channel, there are 80 videos for your AMV examination, one video for your eligibility conditions and qualification, and other video for your good books, textbooks, excellent books. Okay, if you prepare which through the books. If you prepare, so by with the help of these books, definitely your chances of selections are brighter. So please go through those two videos, search for your eligibility conditions, etc., AMVI, and also the books for AMVI examination you will get. And watch my videos as many times as possible till the time you get the maximum confidence. Okay, I have, so these questions you don't find in any of the textbooks which I just mentioned now. That means your IC engines by A.V. Ganeshan, and also volume 1, volume 2 automobile engineering by Kripal Singh, because actually I have studied these 3 books thoroughly and made the questions for you and you only, after thoroughly filtering all the sections of the syllabus, okay, all the bits of the syllabus, your APPSC especially, and of course this is going to meet you the requirements of TSPC candidates also, right? So please benefit, and if you like my channel, okay, please comment and share and also subscribe my channel. That will be a great favor you will be doing for me. So right, let us meet in our next video with a good number of questions, very good quality questions that will be very useful for your AMV examination. And my request is that if you sincerely believe and if you sincerely feel that it is improving your knowledge about your AMV examination syllabus, automobile engineering, or it is proving to be very helpful for your examination, or maybe for the beginners also, they think that it is useful, okay, or some of you may be thinking that it is helping you to test your knowledge, okay, because some of you might have prepared well. And if you feel that if any of these conditions are met through my videos, please like my channel and also subscribe. Once again, wish you all the best.